Page 70, Alberti Bass Study. Just a little bit of using the Alberti bass pattern in the left hand. The right hand, you're just doing half notes and whole notes. It's all what we're after is the Alberti bass pattern in the left hand. So I look it over, it's a page long, treble and bass clef, one flat in the key signature, we're in the key of F major. Make sure you're doing the scale for F major and D minor, because it has one flat in the key signature. 4/4 time, and as far as the hands go, the right hand is just whole notes. That's it, 4 notes. The left hand has the patterns. Thumb comes out, it's like a 4 chord. Then 1, then a 5/7, 1, 4, 5. The last major is Alberti Bass, different. That's a little different. Then we put the hands together. It's just, well, it shouldn't be hard because the right hand is just whole notes for the most part. Just focus on the left hand. I'm just shifting weight here. Don't go real fast. Just whatever you get to you. You have to just focus on this so you get the idea of this rotating, stay relaxed, stay loose, the whole bit. Now there's no articulation shown, so you would connect it all. However, for the practice, it wouldn't hurt to play this left hand detached. Bump, 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 kind of bouncing around here. Something like that for the practice. However, for the purpose of this lesson, we're just going to do it. Connect it. Now the dynamics, MP, I don't know why they're giving you any dynamic. You just play it. The MP applies to the whole note. And that dies away. So this has to be soft. All the time I'm doing this, I want to hear that. Something in there. Now you can, if you'd like, put in the phrasing. I missed it before. It works out where the first 2 lines is a phrase. Lift up. That's be another phrase. So you can lift up there in the right hand after the 4th measure. Before you go on, lift up, like taking a breath. The left hand, you connect it. So I lifted up here, but I connected that. There. That's all right. It's good practice. As far as the speed goes, andante, it doesn't help a lot. The melody, this is really what but then this makes this, and that doesn't sound andante. So we got to find something that fits a little better for the left hand, but we don't want to go, because that makes this last forever. No, you have to find something that fits both stabs here. So it's got to be a little fast for the 8th notes and a little slow for the whole note, and that way everybody's unhappy and you get a middle ground in there, right? Now there's an RIT at the bottom to slow down and get softer. Well, this gets softer on its own. It's the left hand that's got to go down. Yeah, whatever. Don't copy me. Remember the natural accents? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1. And a lot of times in interpreting music with Alberti bass, we will finger pedal the first note of each of those. This. try that just for kicks. Good practice, and sometimes you'll do that as part of your interpretation. There's a note at the bottom to transpose this to G major. Basically, you're using the same fingers, you're just in the key of G major. In G major, you just come up one key, and you're just doing the same thing here. So the chords are here, the 4, 5, 7, here. Transpose it to any key. Take it to C major. Down here. Whatever key you want, that's just good practice. You're focusing more on fingers, but you see underneath the bottom staff are the Roman numerals for the note chord names, and when you're transposing, that's really what you're focusing on. I want a 1 chord and then a 4 chord in whatever key I'm in. So in C major, then a 4 chord is that, and that's where I'm going. 5, 7 is either here or here, whichever. That's using this one and then this one, and then back to the 1 chord, 4. And that's really what you're focusing on. G, then the 4 chord, 1 chord, 5, 7. That's what we're doing here. That helps on transposing. I'm not going to do a play with me because this is all this. Hopefully you can do that okay. Let me know if you have any questions.